Clearing your search history on Uber can help maintain your privacy and keep your app organized. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top left or bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. In the profile or menu section, look for the settings option and tap on it. This will open a new page with various settings related to your account. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Scroll through the settings menu until you find privacy or privacy settings. Tap on this option to access privacy-related features. Step 5. Clear search history. Look for the option that says clear search history or similar. Tap on it and confirm your choice to delete your search history. After following these steps, your search history on Uber will be cleared. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your experience and privacy while using the app.